Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a really fast, quick what's on my craft table. Before I show you what I've been working on, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful Memory Dex card. I am proud of it. This is my very first Memory Dex card, and this is for Joanne. Happymail Stamper is her YouTube name, and I'm going to link her channel down below. And she's also doing a birthday giveaway, and she's doing a Memory Dex card where you need to make one, and on the back I'll end up putting my information. But this is my very first Memory Dex card, Joanne, so I really hope that you like it. I put this sticker here, added some trim, made this little rosette, and I love it. I think it's super pretty. I love these little butterflies here. So I hope that she likes it as well. I did distress around the edges. And that's my first Memory Dex card, and I'm going to be making more of these, so I hope. And this was my very first, they call it like a boho style tassel, and I think it came out really pretty, and this is for a swap with somebody. And I simply just used wire around this top, and then I wrapped it with some more of this yarn, or I think they call it eyelet trim. I'm not really, eyelash trim, something like that. And I think it came out great. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you're interested in how I made this tassel, let me know in the comments down below, because I do plan on making some more. I also created this other pocket letter here that is for a swap, and it's about things that you're kind of grateful for in your life. And, you know, I love the beach and the sea, and I'm grateful for it. I am. You know, it's those little things. So I made her a little tag with a mermaid, because that's what that reminds me of. And this says, find beauty in everything. For the first time, I put the shaker pocket here at the top, and I thought it looked really cute up here for a change of pace, and I put this paper just to cover up the stitching. I am definitely thankful for the beauty of nature and flowers, butterflies, and that's why that's the theme of the paper. Down here, there's a cute little saying. It says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. And that is so very true. I'm also thankful for family. I think that's very true for most people. So that's why I have, again, home, family, and I'm thankful for that stuff. There are people out there that do not have a home, do not have family, so I'm very grateful I have a loving family. And as you see, that's the theme here. On the flip side, I included some of these stickers here, which have those sayings, some other lovely sayings. Follow your heart, be you, be true, a dove. I don't know why I went out of order, guys, but the first pocket's really just some fun stuff. Same over here. Some bling and butterflies, some little heart die cuts, some washi and more bling. The bottom row of goodies, I just gave her some sequins, some tags, and then here's some cutouts. There's mermaids, and I believe I have unicorns here. How cute. And then there's some other, it's butterflies. It's on the same pattern paper. On the sides, I just attached some lace trim. She could do with what she wants with. And then I've also been really working on rosettes and clips, and I've been having a fun time with them, so I included some clips and a cute little rosette with the mermaid for her as well. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to jump on here and share with you what I've been busy with. Hope you enjoyed it. Please comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!